Long-lasting results. Epilate once and get smooth skin for up to 4 weeks with America's #1 epilator brand. Efficient. Remove 4x shorter hair than wax, perfect epilator for beginners to use on legs and body. Convenient. As easy as shaving, as long-lasting as wax for salon-like smooth skin at home. Save money. Never make a hair removal appointment again. Switch to Silk-epil from waxing at the salon and save over $700 a year. Less pain. Massage roller cap gently stimulate and massage your skin to reduce pain during epilation. Multifunctional. Shave, trim, and epilate with interchangeable heads. Gift. Give the gift of an at-home salon-like experience with the perfect Mother's Day gifts for mom, sister, daughter, or wife. Shop with confidence. Reach out to Braun for any concerns on your products in the first 100 days. The Braun Silk-epil 3-270 Epilator for women is ideal for beginners for long-lasting hair removal. Enjoy weeks of salon smooth skin thanks to the 20 tweezer system that gently removes hairs by the root. The shaver and trimmer head gives you added options for sensitive areas, and with the massage rollers stimulate the epilating area and make the experience less painful. The cord allows you to epilate with no charging breaks, all in one go. Box includes 1x epilator, 1x shaver head, 1x trimmer head, 1x cleaning brush, 1x charger. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. I was scared to use this after reading the reviews. I don't have the highest pain tolerance. I showered and exfoliated before using it. I started with my legs. Other than a little sting here and there, it wasn't painful for me at all on my legs and arms. I thought maybe I was doing it wrong, but no, I have no hair on either. Each time I've used it I can definitely see where the hairs were removed, so it's doing what it is supposed to do. Then I thought I'd be brave and try my upper lip. That was a no. That definitely hurt. I'm kinda wanting to try the bikini area, but after the upper lip I haven't gotten that brace yet. Grin if I do. I will definitely trim before I do it.